Uh, if you'll see your GS2 and GS3 syllabus, so there are basically in social security, you will find various things to, I mean, you will find various topics related to Odisha social sector schemes, related to Odisha social justice, and even in energy, trade, road infrastructure. If you'll see the GS3 syllabus, so if you'll ask, even also many of the toppers in 2021 and 22 recently concluded OCS 21 22 results, they will tell ki no, no need to read Odisha economic survey, nothing to read, just read some available material in the YouTube, just make notes and write down, you will get good marks. But from my sincere suggestion, uh, it won't work always. So whatever it is written in the syllabus, do one thing, do proper justice to your preparation. Rest is on God. Whether he will give you a good rank, or else he has some different plan, just do justice to your preparation. First of all, that's why no need to worry. From my point of view, I have prepared, I will take 3 to 4 class daily, 1 1 hour class. I have today, in the first class, I will discuss chapter 8. In chapter 8 of economic survey, you will get the idea about the health sector, education, then there is skill development, SC/STs, and about women empowerment. Okay, so these 5 basic things is in health in chapter 8. So we'll divide the section into 3 or 4 class. And it is completely free of cost, and I will share the PDF file in our group, in our Telegram group, after this class. So no need to worry. So just listen what I am doing. You have no need to worry. Please um, do not give your ample amount of time. Do not give your time in your economic survey preparation. And one thing is, most of the students here also Odia. Sometimes I will use Odia also. No need to worry. And so I am just sharing my screen. Just 1 minute. I'm just sharing my screen. So my screen must be visible now. So just 1 minute. Okay, is my screen visible? Can anyone please respond? Is my screen visible? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
It's visible, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you. So then I'm just sharing just 1 minute. Okay, so my screen must be visible. So see, first I will start with health sector. Today we'll complete these 4 to 5 sector. First, health sector. As all of you know, if some questions will ask about what is the challenges in health sector related to Odisha. So please do not write Jaffa points. Infrastructure nahi, bad nahi, doctor nahanti. Everybody know कि doctor nahanti. But you have to write something good points. See, so you have to mention WHO recommendation 1:1000, means 100 doctors should be there for 1 lakh populations. Okay, I have mentioned here 100 for 1 lakh. So 1:1000 is the WHO recommendation, and Odisha has 22.4 per 1 lakh. See, ତମକୁ ଲାଗିପାରେ କି ମୁଁ ମନେ ରଖିବିନି, ଏତେ ଡେଟା ମୁଁ ମନେ ରଖିବାନି, ଠିକ ଅଛି, ତମେ ମନେ ନ ରଖ, somebody will remember. ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ବହୁତ ଭେଟରାନ, ଇଭେନ ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମେନ୍ସ ଦଉଥିଲି ଆଗରୁ, ମୁଁ ବି ମନେ ରଖିକି ଯାଉଥିଲି, ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ବହୁତ ଜଣ ସାଙ୍ଗ ମନେ ରଖିକି ଯାଆନ୍ତି। so you have to remember, ଏମିତି ନାହିଁ କି no ଏତେ ଡାଟା ମୁଁ ମନେ ରଖି ପାରିବିନି, ବହୁତ କମ ସମୟ ଲାଗିବ ମନେ ରଖିବାକୁ। if you revise again and again, it will inculcate inside you. Okay, ଏମିତି ନାହିଁ କି ମନେ ରଖିପାରିନି, ଯେତିକି ଡେଟା ମନେ ରଖି ହବ କିଛି କିଛି ଡେଟା ମୁଁ କହିଦେବି। ସି ଏଟା ବାର ରିଭାଇଜ କଲେ ତମେ ଜାଣିଦବ କି ଓଡିଶା 22.4 per 1 lakh, means Odisha has 22.4 doctors per 1 lakh. Okay, so it is 22.4 doctors per 1 lakh population. Okay, so you have to write this is the issues. And in health infrastructure expenditure, you can see The health expenditure is 29.6% increase. No need to remember this data again. I'm saying fast data. Yes, you have to remember. And in a percentage, GDP increase is 2.3%. Means we are spending more than as compared to previous year. We are spending 2.3% more this year. See another thing. Yesterday only budget came. See here in budget 2000 budgetary estimate 2025-26, it is mentioned 22,741.21 crore. So just remember 22,700. So do one thing, please compare the data of the health or the data of the Odisha, means it is 2.91 lakhs crore the total budget estimates, and now and for health sector it is 22,700. So you can get an estimate.
Correct, sir. I cannot see the slides.
I have shared the notes now.
But in my phone, I cannot see it. If you
Okay,
can kindly check it out.
Sakti, is it visible?
सर आपन स्क्रीन रे विजिबल होने स्लाइड कोन स्क्रीन विजिबल होची किंतु स्लाइड विजिबल नाही
अरे just one
लेटर
minute.
बहुत स्मॉल होचे सर
Okay. Okay, just 1 minute then. Is it visible?
नॉट येट सर
Is it visible? Yeah, no problem. Okay, okay. Just give me 1 minute, then I am joining again. Sorry, sir. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, is it visible now?
yes sir now it is visible
Is it visible?
yes sir
Okay. So see, so first point I have discussed about WHO recommendation 1:1000 doctor, but in Odisha 22.4 per 1 lakh. So WHO recommendation is 100 per 1 lakh. And another thing, see here, the budget estimate is in 2025-26. The budget grant is 22,741.21 crore. Okay, so next thing we'll see some success stories. So recently, menstrual leave policy is approved in Odisha by Odisha government, 12 days leave. So you can mention somewhere the success stories if the question will be right. Write the government initiative to promote health sector. Then another, see here I have written one life expectancy at birth. Okay, LOEB, life expectancy at birth. In India, it is 70 and Odisha 70.3. So it is in line, no need to worry. So then see here, our TFR, total fertility rate target is 2.0, 2.0. But in Odisha, it is less than less than 2, that is 1.8. You have to mention these things in your answer. TFR is below the national average. Your national average is 2, means we have to make 2, and it is now in Odisha it is TFR 1.8. And if you can mention the gross fertility rate, no need to worry, this is not such an important point. And see here one thing is written in point number 3. Odisha records second highest point decline in MMR, maternal mortality rate. Odisha records second highest point, means in the decline phase Odisha is the second highest, in the percentage of decline is second highest. And here see, it is written highest immunizations, means in all the 17 major category states, Odisha, if you'll take the 12 to 23 months population, Odisha is 100% immunized for between the 12 to 23 for 12 to 23 month population for children. Odisha is 100% immunized. Odisha is 100% immunization rate. Okay, then these things are the some of the success stories you have to mention, and some of the schemes. See here, these are the some of the schemes. See here, here it is written Swasthya Sanjogo. Okay, Swasthya Sanjogo. See, if you mention such things in your answer, it will be surely impacted. Okay, impactful. Then under the Swasthya Sanjogo scheme, there are 177 mobile health unit is established in KBK and tribal district. Okay, 177 MHU is mobile health unit. Upare lekha jaichi mobile health unit, 177 MHU mobile health unit. Then Amo Hospital, it was previously also there, and Nidan. Those who have previously gone, previous also economic survey mentioned Nidan. Nidan is about the to avail the diagnostic services across public health facilities. One is Nidan, another is Nirmaya schemes. Nirmaya schemes is see likewise provide free of cost means implemented in 2015 in means cancer care medicine and some other medicines also available with the Nirmaya scheme. Then your Nirmal schemes. See, Nirmal is means to just hospital parisara safa rakhiba, theek ache, sanitation, something related to that. So it is a Kayakalpa standard is there. So in Odisha government is adhere to the Kayakalpa standard also. Then there is another thing, Odisha e-hospital to reduce the workload of medical staff and management, HMIS. Likewise, human just for human resource purpose, Odisha e-hospital management systems. And another schemes, that is your Mukhya Mantri Bayu Swasthya Seva. It was previously also available. So you must have known the Swabhimana Anchola, the Gurupriya bridge in Chitrakonda river also. That part also, because of this Mukhya Mantri Bayu Swasthya Seva means air ambulance systems. Okay, so the means the IMR, MMR all are reducing because of this Mukhya Mantri. Whenever there is nothing availability of the no road infrastructure, no other infrastructure, so then we can use the Mukhya Mantri Bayu Swasthya Seva. Okay, then here I am just going for maternal health. See, the postnatal care and the institutional delivery average is more than the average is more than national means national level. The institutional delivery average is increased than the national level. See here the institutional delivery data I have not mentioned. It is around 92.5%. Okay, institutional delivery. Okay, another schemes, see, it is your Sampurna schemes. It was previously also there. Stree Ebang, I am saying the full form. No need to write the full form in the exam. Just write the Sampurna schemes. These are the some of the schemes. Sampurna is Stree Ebang Matru Mrityu Matru Matru means Stree Ebang Matru something related to means your neonatal care means and your IMR, MMR reductions, something related to that. So why this is in news exactly? तुमने जानी थी वो जस्ट हमारे चीफ मिनिस्टर एबे डिक्लेयर करचंती कि 10,000 12,000 टंका करचंती डिक्लेयर करचंती. ओके जानी थी वो. That's why reimburse of INR 1,000 for institutional delivery. Okay, यार फुल फॉर्म भी मन रखा दरकार नहीं. मु टिके समय पूर्व मन रखतली मु भी निजे भूली जाईची. जस्ट यू राइट संपूर्ण स्कीम्स and JSY Janani Suraksha Yojana you must have known. Okay, so see here institutional delivery amar 82% thila 2013-14 re. Now it is 92.5% in a decade. Okay, then your village health sanitation see here village health and sanitation nutrition day is observed to increase the awareness. And तमे ममता scheme भी जानी छो 576 lakhs women beneficiaries till November 2014 2024. See যদি এটা মনে রহুଛି ঠিক ଅଛି ନହେଲେ ନାହିଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ତମେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ସ୍କିମ୍ ଦେଖିଦିଅ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ JSY village health and sanitation nutrition day to increase the awareness and ମମତା. ଓକେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଖାଲି ସ୍କିମ୍ସ ଦେଖିଦିଅ. ଆଉ ଆମେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ପଢିବା ଏବେ challenges. See challenges plus some of the success stories also I have mentioned. So see this point I have already covered. WHO recommendation is 1:1,000 doctor and Odisha 22.4 for 1 lakh populations. Then your MMR Odisha till 2022 our MMR is 119. Okay, maternal mortality rate is 119, and in India it is 97. See, it is very easy to remember. So when it is asked about the challenges health sector is facing, you can mention the maternal mortality rate of Odisha is more than the national average. Okay, the national average is 97. Okay, and here in Odisha it is 119. Okay, and another thing, ठीक अच्छे, male sterilization rate is less than 0.5%, which is a problem. It is against the it is the gender bias. Okay, you can write ki male sterilization rate is only 0.5%. Okay, so then your neonatal mortality rate per thousand live birth dropped by 1.2%. Okay, so previously in National Family Health Survey 4 it is 28, now it is 27, but still it is more than the all India average. Okay, you can write ki our NMR is higher, our NNMR is higher, neonatal mortality rate is higher, our maternal mortality rate is higher. Okay, and you can see under 5 mortality rate we are in line, 41.5, 41.9. See, जे भाबुच कि मन रखी परियो, I will suggest कि एको मन रखी कि जाओ एग्जाम रे, because मु तो हेतिले मन रखी जाई थांती. So please मन रखी कि जाओ, जहाँ भी माने डेटा अच्छी किछि किछि डेटा जोड़ा निहाती इंपोर्टेंट लागुची, मन रखी कि जाओ. Okay, so then, so I have already discussed that is your 92.5% institutional delivery, second in 17 major states. Okay, and your NNMR in India is 24, but in NNMR in Odisha is now 27. You can mention कि previously in fifth family health survey it is 24, and in Odisha it is 27. Okay, this is the disparity you can mention. Okay, these are some of the challenges: high NNMR, high MMR, and your doctor ratio you can write, and success stories रे तुम लिखि परियो कि institutional delivery रे second अछि. Is it audible now? Is it okay?
Yes, sir. All
Okay,
right.
okay. Then your you can mention here. See, IMR in India it is 40.7, and in IMR in Odisha it is 39.6. See, these are means in line with the all India data, so no need to write these things. जोटी बेसी अधिका disparity अच्छी, you can mention that one, like MMR, NNMR, टिके भी जदि disparity अच्छी, so avoid that one. Okay, and see, here you can write both in India and in Odisha the global SDG target. SDG 3 रे तुम जानी छो, SDG 3 health related अच्छी, तो global SDG target रे हमर केते अच्छी, ना NNMR को हमको करियर अच्छी 12 per thousand live birth, but Odisha रे अच्छी केते 27, India केते अच्छी 24. Okay, तो तुम एटा लिखि परियो कि हमको एटा करियर अच्छी global SDG target, we have to make NNMR 12 per thousand live birth. Okay, then your under 5 mortality rate भी हमको 25 per thousand live birth हमको global SDG target अच्छी. Okay, and next कौन अच्छी देखो, मैं तुमको कहितली कि 100% immunization target अच्छी, but कौन अच्छी ना ओडिसा रे 100% immunization ହେଇची for children of 12 to 23 months, but जो तुम 5 वर्ष पर्यंत देखिबो then the immunization is 90.5%. Okay, and in India level, all India level 76.4. Okay, you can see how Odisha is improving in immunization program. Okay, so 100% immunization for children of 12 to 23 months, but for up to 5 years the immunization rate is 90.5% in Odisha, but 76.4% in India. Okay, and you can mention ki lack of hospital bed, likewise. Okay, another thing, I'm linking this syllabus here. You can see in your GS1 there is one thing mentioned, regional diversity. If you will look the syllabus, there is one thing written, regional diversity. If you go to the syllabus, regional, if you can mention another here one point. See, in coastal district, there is in economic survey it is mentioned coastal district has low rate of stunting, wasting than southern and western. You can mention कि this is a regional diversity. Okay, coastal district has low rate of stunting, wasting, but southern district has high rate of stunting and wasting, southern and western. Okay, you can mention this is a regional diversity. Okay, and same thing, if you'll see the anemia data, in 64.3% are anemic. Here it is percentage. obviously percentage 64.3% are anemic in Odisha, but 57% in India. You can mention these are this is the challenge also. Okay. So next, one thing I want to say here, next important thing is just 1 minute. Next important thing is under PM Jaman scheme, Saksam Anganwadi Center in PVTG for holistic development is established. Okay, more Saksam Anganwadi Center. This is upward arrow mark is increase. Yeah, more Saksam Anganwadi Center in PVTG area for holistic development of the children under PM Jaman scheme is established. Okay, more Saksam Anganwadi centers are developed. Okay, so and these are some of the data. So if anybody want, they can go through this data. See here, this data signifies it is now 32.1, and the source is NFHS 5, and it is India level. And here second is 29.7 NFHS 5, and it is Odisha level. Okay, so these things. Next we'll go to the, so if somebody will ask what is the challenges Odisha is facing in health sector, you can mention MMR rate, NNMR rate, WHO recommendation about your doctor populations. And another most important thing you can mention, Odisha has now already seven medical colleges, and three medical colleges will be established, uh, and two are proposed, and the admission will be start by 2025-26. ଦି ଦିନ ତଳେ just news ଆସିଥିଲା, ଗୋଟେ କନ୍ଧମାଳରେ ଗୋଟେ ତାଳଚେରରେ. Okay, so you have to mention, and ଦିଟା କଲେଜରେ ନୂଆ post graduation degree start ହେଇଛି. The post graduation degree is, one is in Acharya Harihar Cancer Hospital, another in SCB Medical, another in Capital Hospital. Okay, you can mention कि हमको PG degrees बढ़ेवार अछि, post graduation seat नहीं. Okay, so and another thing, हम जो इंडिया रे डॉक्टर अछंती केते जानि छो, 1:839. हमर समस्त कहउछंती कि हमर हे जाइछि 1000 हे जाइछि, but 1000 if you will take Ayush doctor into account. Okay, otherwise 1:1400. So and economic survey is not clear whether this data is with Ayush doctor or without Ayush doctor. Okay, so this is, I am also not sure whether this data is with Ayush doctor or without Ayush doctor. Okay, so these are some of the problem in we can write NMR, MMR. Then your male sterilization rate is less than 0.5, patient to doctor ratio, bed, and health infrastructure. You can write these are the some of the problems. Okay, so next we'll go to education sector. Okay, so see, in the budget allocations, the school education got 31,187 crore, and the higher education got 3,655.83 crore. Okay, so in education sector, you can see the key state sponsored scheme. I have first written, if the question will come, write down the government initiative related to education. Okay, the Odisha government initiative. So you have to write the key state sponsored schemes. So you must have known the first one is Pancha Shiksha Setu Abhiyan. Okay, so Pancha Shiksha Setu. So what is the in the Pancha Shiksha Setu? To create the state of art classroom, smart learning method, teacher quality बढ़ेवार अछि. Okay, so normal things in Pancha Shiksha Setu Abhiyan. Next is, you must have known previously there was a scheme किछि दिन तले just एइतला ऐतिह्य विद्यालय scheme. So ऐतिह्य विद्यालय माने कोन, प्रिजर्वेशन एंड इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ 100-year old स्कूल. ठीक अछि, तो 100 वर्ष पुराना स्कूल्स के हबो एग्जांपल सत्यवादी वन विद्यालय. ठीक अछि, टोटल 51 टा स्कूल अछि, ताकू ऐतिह्य विद्यालय स्कीम रे ताकू प्रिजर्वेशन करा हबो और तारो इम्प्रूवमेंट करा हबो. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट इज निपुण ओडिशा स्कीम्स. तो एटा समस्त जानि छ, फाउंडेशन लिटरेसी एंड न्यूमरेसी, एटा सब बळे FLN लिखा जाय, माने फाउंडेशन लिटरेसी एंड न्यूमरेसी बढ़िया अछि ग्रेड 1 to grade 3 लांको पर्यंत, that is under निपुण ओडिशा schemes. And another one is Mukhyamantri Medhavi Chhatra Protsahana. Please go through these schemes. This will enrich your answer. I am saying from my personal experience, this will enrich your answer. So Mukhyamantri Medhavi Chhatra Protsahana. So in Mukhyamantri Medhavi Chhatra Protsahana, 22.82 crore financial support for meritorious student, primary, upper primary, secondary, and higher secondary. See, no need to remember this 22.82 crore. Just write in Mukhyamantri Medhavi Chhatra Protsahana. Financial support is given to the meritorious student under postgraduate, undergraduate, and higher secondary. Primary, upper primary, and secondary and higher secondary students. Okay, just write these things. And Gangadhar Meher Sikkha Manaka Buddhi, Sikkha Manaka Bruddhi. Okay, so what is there? So to reduce the dropout among the class 10 girl, to purchase a bicycle, 3,500 rupees is given. Okay, I am again saying Gangadhar Meher Sikkha Manaka Buddhi, to reduce the dropout among the class 10 girl, to purchase bicycle, government is giving 3,500 for students. Okay, then MM, where it is MM is written, it means Mukhyamantri. Okay, and so Mukhyamantri Chhatra Chhatri Paridhan Yojana, it was previously also there, just to free uniform. Okay, provide free uniform up to 8th class students. Then you all of you know, a famous scheme, Madhav Singh Hata Kharcha Yojana. Okay, Madhav Sikh लिख दिया गलती से, Madhav Singh Hata Kharcha Yojana. So तुम जाना थी वो class 9 and class 11 जो students class 9  lu 10 को जिबे and class 11  lu 12 को जिबे तांको पाई ट्राइबल एरियाज रे 5,000 टंका दिया जाउचे. ओके, माधव सिंह, sorry for the mistake, it is Madhav Singh Hata Kharcha Yojana. Then another thing, Godavarisa Misra Adarsha Prathamika Vidyalaya. All of you, please know here. In Odisha now, there are 6,794 Gram Panchayat is there. Okay, I am again saying in Odisha there are 6,794 Gram Panchayat are there. So the target is to develop one of the schools in each Panchayat as a model school under Godavaris Misra Adarsha Prathamika Vidyalaya, to provide the state-of-art infrastructure. Okay, so this is the scheme of each Gram Panchayat, total 6,794 Gram Panchayat, and the state-of-the-art infrastructure, digital lab, language lab, smart classroom, inclusive environment, everything we have to do. Then these are some of the center sponsored scheme. 462 schools are under PM Sri Yojana, and New India Literacy Program, NLIP. So to increase the literacy among the CST minority, please dekhi dabeko thare. And NEP 2020, recently Odisha also implemented NEP 2020. Then National Talent Search Exam and STARS project for research. Okay, these are some of the center sponsored schemes. So center sponsored scheme that tame lekhi dabo, more and more focus should be in your Odisha key state sponsored schemes. Okay, so please skim through these schemes. Okay, please go through these schemes. Then we'll go to next some of the target in some of the datas. Okay, so budget estimates in 2025-26 is both, if you will add higher education and the school education, it is around 35k crore. And see here, this is the major problem you can mention. I am sure nobody will mention this thing. If there will be a question, nobody will mention this point. Okay, in SDG 4 indicator, SDG 4 score, Odisha decreased by 6%, means 6 points. Okay, the SDG 4 indicator re Odisha state ro total point 6 point decrease heichi, joti ki all India average re 3 point increase heitila. SDG 4 score re Odisha ro score decrease heichi 6 points. Okay, you can mention this is a challenge. Okay, then Odisha overall literacy rate, you can see here, Odisha overall literacy rate जेतेबेले last 10 वर्ष रे only 2.8% बढ़िछि, India रे जेतेबेले national average बढ़िछि केते 4%. Okay, you can write here कि India रे national average 4% बढ़िछि, Odisha रे केते percent बढ़िछि ना 2.8% बढ़िछि. Okay, so again you can see this is the present literacy rate 79%, आगु आर 76% 22-23 रे थिला, 23-24 रे 79%, male is around 85%, female is 73.3%. This data you should at least remember कि female ला 73.3 अछि, male जदि तुमको कोट बिटा gender bias रे कोट करियर थिबो, you can quote these data as, okay, according to economic survey कि एटा थिला data. Okay, अच्छा, then see स्कूल एजुकेशन ले कोन कोन अच्छी स्कीम्स हमको देखिया पड़ियो, जोटा आगो को गला एबे ए जो स्कीम पांचटा मु कहूची, प्लीज मेंशन हियर, दिस आर फॉर द अर्ली चाइल्डहुड केयर एजुकेशन, ईसीसी जानिथिबो, ईसीसी अर्ली चाइल्डहुड केयर एजुकेशन. सेठी गोटे फर्स्ट जिंस अछि शैशव दिवस और अंकुर डे. एथरे कोन होची ना पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग, माने मन रखो एटा जस्ट एज पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग. मो विकास पत्र गोटे चाइल्ड असेसमेंट कार्ड दिया होची पेरेंट्स को तमर चाइल्ड रो परफॉर्मेंस केमती लास्ट वर्ष रहितला ओके ताको कहउचंते शैशव दिवस बा अंकुर डे आउ गोटे इनिशिएटिव होची कोटिए हस इनिशिएटिव प्लीज 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 गो थ्रू दिस इनिशिएटिव्स गो थ्रू दिस देखो जदि क्वेश्चन आसला अर्ली चाइल्डहुड केयर रो कोन अछि तमे जदि फालतू जिंस लेखि के आसीबो जदि गोटे एग्जामिनर को आसुथबो से जदि पढी छि इकोनॉमिक सर्वे देखो बहुत लोक कहबे कि लास्ट ईयर आसिलानी किछि नाही किछि दरकार नाही पढिबा आसीबोनी बोली किए कहि परियो एबे बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट अछि तमे देखुथबो कि सबु जिंस तांको तो माने समाने सबु जिंस भी पूरा ओडिया अस्मिता रे हो कि जोथरे हो तांको तो माने सबु जिंस से ओडिसा को इंक्लूड करूछन ना भलरे इंक्लूसिव ये करूछन तो दैट्स व्हाई तमे सबु पढी कि जाओ ओके एबे केबे भी नाही कि भाबनी कि ओडिसा आसीबोनी एमती ओवरऑल क्वेश्चन आसीबो ओके हाँ नो डाउट प्रिलिम्स रे आसीनी आर वर्ष प्रिलिम देखिछो केते ओडिसा आस्थिला दैट्स व्हाई तमे पढी कि जाओ भलरे पढी कि जाओ ओके आसीबो न आसीबो सेटा पछ कथा बट तमे पढी कि जाओ सो एटा देखो गोटे कोटिए हस इवेंट इन अंगनवाड़ी सेंटर एडब्ल्यूसी फॉर द अंगनवाड़ी प्रारंभिक सेंटर्स ओके बिलो 3 ईयर फाइ कराइ जेटा कोटिए हस इवेंट ओके देन योर आमो कुनी पिला आ गोटे इनिशिएटिव अछि आमो कोनी पिला दिस इज आल्सो stimulation of under 3 children okay both these are for the under 3 children एट मु लेखिया को भूली जाईची कोटिए हस इवेंट रे एटा भी आमो कोनी पिला स्टिमुलेशन अंडर 3 चिल्ड्रेन एटा दीटा मिनिस्ट्री रो कोलाबोरेशन रे होची मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट एंड मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन से कोन करचंती ना पूरा पूरा माने अर्ली स्टिमुलेशंस करचंती चिल्ड्रेन मानकर बिहेवियर केमितिया कोन ओके अंगनवाड़ी सेंटर थ्रू रे ही मन करचंती सेटा कोन इनिशिएटिव ना आमो कुनी पिला एंड जो नुआ करिकुलम चेंज हेची एनईपी पाई ताकू कहउचंती नुआ अरुणिमा करिकुलम अलाइंड विथ एनईपी 2020 देखो तुम जदि न जानि थिबो एमते लेखियो खाली कि करिकुलम चेंज यूजिंग एनईपी 2020 करिकुलम चेंज इन लाइन विथ एनईपी 2020 मु सेट लेखिबी नुआ अरुणिमा तो ऑब्वियसली मोर इंपैक्ट अधिक पड़िबो ओके सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द इनिशिएटिव एंड ऑब्वियसली मदर टंग तो नॉर्मल पॉइंट है एटा so these initiative you have to mention कि शैशव दिवस अंकुर डे कोटिए हस इवेंट आम कुनी पिला नुआ अरुणिमा okay these four things for the early childhood care then I have just made a table जति कि डेटा तमर मन रहिबो मन रखो एटी this is for the GER gross enrollment ratio एटा जानि थिबो समस्त दैट्स व्हाई मु सेमति खाली GER लिखि दिछि gross enrollment ratio found to the power n means here foundation okay so these are the four stages foundation preparatory middle and secondary four stages you can see this is the GER percentage in Odisha and India you can see both in middle and the secondary Odisha outperformed India in gross enrollment middle and secondary Odisha outperformed in preparatory stage also Odisha outperformed India but the percentage increase is not good as compared to national average okay I am saying again in middle and secondary Odisha outperformed India but in preparatory stage the performance of Odisha is not okay okay means the percentage increase is not okay okay India percentage increase adhika achi seta item lekhichi Odisha outperform national average in middle and secondary but lacks in preparatory and foundation stage and preparatory re percentage increase कम हिची देखो then see तमे एटी आ गोटे कोट करि परिबो देखो म एटी लिखिछि preparatory stage रे ए जो preparatory stage रे देखिला ना 97.1 और 96.5 देखो सेठी तमे लिखि परिबो कि preparatory stage रे ओडिसा रे देखो फीमेल और मेल भितर 96.8
Sir, the screen is not visible.
huh
The screen is not visible.
not visible
No, no, it's not visible.
Get some not visible
Helen, 4-5 मिनट हेला. I just came and see, so you can. And the students should speak up, right? It is from the table, the screen is not visible.
Okay, sorry for the interruption. Sorry. So just I am sharing my screen again. Sorry. Okay. So my screen is visible, Asim sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It
Uh,
is visible.
So you can write the in preparatory stage. You can write these are the some of the gender bias. Okay, if you want to mention sometime, you can write the gender bias. So these are the some of the detailed data. If someone want to read here, it is mentioned the some of the detailed data. Here it is in box. It is written for the Odisha, but these are the some of the detailed data. So no need to go to the detailed data. You can just mention how it is gender bias in Odisha case. It is in female. It is in 96.8%, and for male it is 97.3%. So then you will next we'll go for graduate means higher education side. See, in graduation 31% of the graduates pursued science and technology in Odisha, which is below national average 37.6%. You can mention here key in science, technology, and engineering and mathematics, your STEM. Here in the Odisha graduates are 31% Odisha graduates are pursuing this stream, while it is in national average is 37.6%. And